Alright, so here's my 3 crystal filter here. Around 68 picofarads for all of these based upon the design of the Dishal program here. So using my calculator, I first went with the design impedance here. And I put it into my calculator right here that I made. And let's do 181. So this is the source, which is my test equipment. And then this is from the Dishal program. And what it does is in here is the formula for the for turns ratio. So there you go. And it says 1.9. So the rule is you want approximately 4 times the reactance of your source. So that would be around 200. So here the reactance of 4 microhenries gives me around 226 ohms. And that is 3 turns of all approximate for FT37-43 material. So I did that, and I said, well, let's do this to 6. And so then I used my nano VNA here to sweep here. And then let's open up my program here. And then we also got this is the filter analysis. But if we look here, there's a big ripple here that goes approximately 2 dB down, and I prefer it to be looking like this, at least about 1 dB down in the pass band. So I first tried that. What I'm going to do next is, so I originally tuned the input with this resistor here, and I used a variable resistor, and it came out to approximately 268. There we go, 268, within a few percent here. So this was the value that I found, and I put in there, and it was smoother. So what we're gonna do is, so this is 3 turns and 6 turns on each side, and the crystal filter is symmetrical. What we're gonna do is I'm going to add an extra turn, so it's 7 turns. So take out the 6 because it's too short now, and rewrap it to 7, and then look if that ripple there goes. But for the other part, it is through 3 kHz as designed, so that's good. And yeah, so for the Dishal, yeah, pretty I mean, somewhat similar. And then of course it isn't a perfect 0 dB just because of losses, but it's not there. So anyways, we'll be back. All right, so now there is 7 turns, so 3 to 7, and that was based on a little calculator here from earlier. We're really close to 7, so I did 7 here, and then go back to everything. Let's minimize that. Okay, and this is the current status for the filter. As we see here, that ripple dimple, came up a little bit more. So it could be that it needs 1 more turn, but I'm just gonna leave this one alone here. And but also what this shows is that resistances and impedance affects the smoothness of the pass band here. So but it did improve it here, and yeah, so that was good to see. Alrighty.